What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel.
Hey.
I'm Eric.
I'm Christina. Hold on, we should give them the view.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
There we go.
That's better.
Okay, so we're the Irvins. This is our Irvinture. We started this because we just really wanted to.
Yeah, we wanted a space where we could create what we wanted, how we wanted, for ourselves, but also for you guys.
Yeah, we started it's an Irvinture.com, where that's kind of where our blogs live, that's where our resources live and everything like that, but we wanted to blog too, to kind of show you more insight into our actual lives.
Yeah, we're full-time content creators.
Mm-hmm.
We run our own business,
Yeah.
and we're kind of hopping all around the world currently.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy, but we're feeling kind of boxed in by our business and our niche. We wanted to create a space to kind of break out of that box and break those boundaries and be our whole selves.
Yeah.
Pursue everything that we want to do rather than just feel like we're stuck on one path. So we are really excited, and this is all brand new for us. So if you have any tips or topic ideas, we are so here for it.
Yeah, we're game. All right, so go check out it'sanirvinture.com. Follow us on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, and like she said, let us know if you have any ideas for any blog or vlog topic.
Yeah, thanks so much for coming on our Irvinture.
Welcome.